Hey guys, welcome back to DroidCrunch. I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about writing. Writing is a powerful tool to generate better content with less efforts. You can generate the content for your social media, for your video scripts, for your blogs, for your landing pages, and whatever you may think of. You can also generate content for your ad copies, for your emails, and there are plenty of use cases, and there are plenty of templates, built-in templates that you can use to instantly generate the content for your need. And using it is very straightforward. So let's quickly get in and see what problems it solves and how it can be helpful for your business. So I have just logged in, and over here you can see that number of documents I have made, amount of images I have created, and amount of codes I have written. So this is the consumption that you can see over here. You can also directly chat with the AI by clicking on this button over here. You can see your users statistics in terms of documents you have created, codes you have generated, images you have generated, and chats you have made. And you can also see your subscription details, your limits, and this scroller, so you understand how much you are left with and if your balance is consuming too much. So everything is there. You can also generate the images and write the code. See your documents over here, and in the left sidebar you can see the pre-built templates. There are plenty of templates that you can use. They are well categorized in ads, articles, and blogs, e-commerce, journal writing and ideas, jobs and companies, miscellaneous, and profile enhancer, website, others. Okay, so yeah, there are a lot of templates that you can use. So let me show you how all it works. So you can simply click on any of these templates and you will be redirected to the interface like this. And here you can input the commands like your product type. So my product type is for example you can say a gaming console or whatever you can write, but this is just an example. So target audience is gamers, technology and PC users, and USP is like my gaming console is fast, so I can say fast, responsive, well built. Okay, in the advanced option you can choose the models you want to use, the language you want to choose, tone you want to have in your generated copies, and the number of variants you want to create, 1, 2 or 3. You can also specify the creativity level, whether optimal, low, medium or high. I would choose medium and choose one variant. If you don't want to use the advanced option, you can simply click on this and it will generate without adhering to the advanced options over here. But if you want to specify like the number of variants you want to generate, then simply click on this advanced option and make sure that it is clicked and it is shown. All the options are shown. If they are not shown, it isn't like this. Whether you have specified or not, it will not work. Like if you click on this and it will not work. Okay, so it will work only if it is being shown like this. Okay, so number of variants we have specified 1, and we have target audience gamers, technology, PC users. So let's quickly click on the show the magic button over here and it will give me the results. Okay, it has given plenty of results to be honest, but I didn't need that. So still it works pretty well. Elevate your game, fast and responsive, online gaming built for gamers, loved by techies and whatever. So you can use any of these copies for your Google ads, and this way you can also choose between various use cases and write the content. Okay, and you can also write the long articles specifying the topics, outlines you can choose, and then finalize and write on the editor as well. You can also generate the images. You can also write the code. Okay, for example, I want to write an associative array PHP. Okay, and in the advanced option, my language selector is PHP. You can choose any other language if you want to based on the code description you have given. So code level is noob. I can say moderate, model I want to use, and then click on write my code button, and this will take a little bit of time and will use the provider they have chosen over here. I have chosen the OpenAI, and here you can see this PHP code over here where we have this person array, and this is associative array where we have key name plus the value, and there are 4 items or elements in my array with key value pairs, and this is echoing or printing the values like the first name John and then last name Doe and whatever. So this is how it all works, and this is very easy to use. You can copy the code from here as well, and this is fast and straightforward. You can also turn your speech into text as well. You can upload your audio file and then you can generate the text file of it. You can also generate the voiceovers. There are plenty of audio effects, voices you can choose from, and you can generate that. You can do the chat with the AI, and you can do anything. You can upload, you can talk with the address, you can upload a document and chat with the document. Like for example, you have an PDF file and you want to study that PDF file, you have plenty of questions regarding that file. You can upload that file and then start asking the questions in the chat over here. Then we also have this plagiarism option to check the plagiarism of the content, and if you want to check it, you can check it and you will have the report out here. I don't want to make this video pretty lengthy, so I am just giving you an overview of the options that we have, and you can use them by navigating to writey.guru, and I believe that in their free plan you will have enough of access to check the options over here. You can test them as well. Then we have this AI detector option, as I told, which will see whether the content is AI written or not. Like plagiarism will check the duplication, and this will check the AI. Like for example, other software allow you to do humanization of the content, so if it is AI content, it humanizes the content for the other tools but not for this tool. Then we have this history over here. It will show you all the content you generated in past, the document, the long articles, codes, speech to text and voiceover. All of these will be shown over in this history option. You can see your gallery option as well, which will show you all the images that you have generated. Then you can also raise a support ticket. If you are experiencing any issue, you can quickly raise a new ticket, and they will try to solve the queries you have in your system. You can also see your uploaded files in the drive option here, where you can access them and maybe you can delete them as well. So you can search the characters in that. Then you can access your account option, where you can upgrade and downgrade your subscription, customize your profile, see your subscriptions, allow your team members, add the team members. You can also buy credits to use the software. Then you can log out. You can also use the dark mode as well, and you can also change the language over here as well. So this is an overview of the application, and it is very fast. It is very straightforward to use. Also the pricing of it is very cool. Let me show you. So if you go over here, you will see all the pricing options that you get in this software. The subscription based pricing, which is monthly about 500. It is INR, Indian rupees, so it is like upon 80, like 500 INR up to, this is 6.25 something of USD, which is very good pricing. After all, if you see the pricing of the software, they are like 29 USD, 39 USD per month for the starting plan. So considering that, it is very generous pricing, and generally you can use it and you can have enough of words to generate. If you want better limits, like better amount of images you want to generate, then you can of course choose another plan, and that will be very you can also, in the middle of your plan, you can upgrade or downgrade, so it is also there. So you can choose any of the options, and if you are comfortable, you can easily upgrade. If you're not comfortable, you can downgrade or maybe cancel the subscription. You can also choose the yearly pricing, where you will get some discount as well. So it is 2 months off if you see, like in all the plans you get 2 months off if you choose the HLD pricing, and you can also buy credits as well. So this is how writey works and what features it has. So this was all for today's video. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, and watching more videos, please click the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload the new videos. And till then, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.